Hey y'all, it's Rissa. What y'all got going? I'm back with another video. I'm so excited for this video, y'all, because I haven't did any drawing videos in months. Like, I think my second or third video was the last video I did where I was really just drawing for real on the whole hand, on the whole set. And it's crazy because I do a lot of hand drawn sets, but most times the set itself takes so long that I don't really have time to record it. Like my clients be back to back, and then hand drawn stuff already takes a long time period. So I don't always be trying to record because it just is extra time. Like um it is these nails, not these nails I'm doing now, but some other nails I had did that just goes to show you what I was talking about. They not gonna be up by the time y'all are watching this. Well, if you're watching it as soon as it come out anyway. But in time, in about a week or so, whenever I post them, it ain't gonna be no week. Hell, it's gonna be later on this week. Later on this week, I'm gonna post some nails I did right after this set that took forever, and they took forever because it was a whole trippy hand drawn set with bling. That's the type of stuff that I cannot record because, girl, we not finna be here all night. And that set literally took like, I would say it took right at 3 hours. It really took longer than that. But the extra 15-20 minutes it did take was just last minute shit. Like, y'all know how it be when you're doing nails, you're not working every second of the time that you know what I'm saying? Like, if somebody has to get up to go to the bathroom, if they had to get up to answer a call, if they gotta, and it wasn't a bunch of that going on, but I'm saying like some of that time we was talking, we was discussing what we wanted to do next on what nail, what color goes good with what, because it was a birthday set. So if I would have been moving the whole time, not including talking and figuring out what we gonna do and me having to get up or whatever, I would say it took roughly 2 hours and 45 minutes, 3 hours, but it took about 3.5 altogether with trying to figure out what we're gonna do, etc. Um, so yeah, like I said, that's an example of a set that I am not recording because it probably would have took 4 hours if we would have did that. Certain stuff you just be so busy on trying to do the nails, you're not really trying to, you know what I'm saying? But yeah. So anyway, y'all, this set, like I said, I was excited to do this set because I love these type of sets where the design is not perfect. Like, it's literally just like drippy lines. Like, because when I do line work where it like kind of needs to be perfect, I be so anal about like it being perfect. Like, I have to do a lot of back and forth if I don't get it damn near perfect off the top because I want it to look shit damn near perfect. You know what I'm saying? But like these type of sets are more customizable. Like I know because I couldn't really see the other hand for real. I kind of just picked the colors for the other ones. And like I said, I like these type of sets because when you're drawing, like some people try to go ahead and get it perfect from jump. These type of sets. What I do is, um, because the colors overlap, I put down the first color and I don't really worry about what the edges look like because if anything isn't where it's supposed to be, the next color that gets right beside it, I'm gonna use that to clean the first color up. You'll see when I get to the second round of color. But yeah, this set was done by, I can't remember, but I put it in the very beginning. I'll tag her in the bio. I mean, not the bio. I'll tag her in the description. And yeah, y'all are pretty much just watching me go back and forth. This is what I was talking about. You see how I'm using that pink, and because I'm laying it right there, that's like my cleanup color. And then the next color will clean up the pink. And then all you have to do is just come back and kind of re-outline the last color to make sure that that one is crisp or whatever. But I love these type of sets because you can literally use one color to fix the next one. Like I said, some people will try to make it perfect off top and make it to where they lay right beside each other perfectly, but I let them overlap. I feel like it's cleaner. It's not as I mean, it's foolproof. You're using one color to cover another. I hope that makes sense. But yeah, that's it though. This set is just a lot of back and forth, but it surprisingly did not take as long as I thought it would. It only took about uh 2 hours and 20 minutes maybe. I'll have to fact check that. I'm gonna put it up. But yeah, um now on this hand, I hate that I use this sticky base coat because I feel like it's making it hard to see. I know it wasn't making it hard to see in real life, but it kind of slick was. I like to use the sticky base coat to keep the color from moving too much. But y'all, the sticky base coat was slick, making it move too much. Like it was making the color slide. The first time I ever used a sticky base coat, it didn't really do that. But this time it did. And I noticed that as soon as I started using it. And so that's why the other hand, I just have it just bare foundation. And it worked a lot better on just foundation. I think it does depend on what colors you use. And I know a lot of these colors I used was D&D. And I know people are gonna ask what colors that I use. Y'all, I don't buy polish like that. I'm not a I don't use polish 24/7. Like I use polish as additions, like a couple nails that have designs on them, or even when it's like this. But I don't do polish full sets no more. So like I don't really use polish just all the time, and at least not on every nail. And so a lot of these colors I've had for so long. So like I don't remember what these colors are called. I didn't had them for years. I don't remember where I got half of them. Most of them are D&D though. Um the white is from Gelixir. I know that powder blue is from D&D. The peach I mixed it with, I don't even remember what brand that was. It's some random ass brand. I mixed that peach color though with like a more brighter orange, and it made that like whatever color that is. The yellow is from D&D. Um the purple is from Valentino. The pink is from down the pink is from D&D. The teal is a random brand. The what other colors did I use? Just know, just find a dupe, y'all. It ain't gotta be exact. Um it ain't gotta be exact. Cause people be getting mad in the comments. Somebody got mad on one of my videos and was like, "Oh my God, you could have told us what the polish names were." And I commented them back, and I'm like, "Bro, I done sat here and gave you the game, not the game, but like I done gave you the whole damn blueprint for this set, and all you got to say is, oh my God, what are the color names, bro? Go find you a dupe." Find you a dude, babe. It's okay. Hell, even if I do tell you exactly what the name is, what you finna go buy it now and have it in time for the next set. Like realistically, bruh, I've been doing this for 3 years. I know how this go. Even when I do find out the exact names of stuff, that does not mean I'm finna go run and jump and buy it. So when people be crying about what product, half the time they don't even go and buy it. So it's like, why are you so mad about it? And I'm saying that from experience because I see plenty of shit that people will tag and say, oh, this is this. I'm not finna go run and buy it just because you used it. I'm finna find something that I already have similar. Like, I don't know. Maybe that's just me, but like I said, that tripped me out because I'm like, I done gave you this whole video teaching you how to do XYZ, and all you got to cry about is what fucking pink I used. This generic pink that you can find anywhere. I can't make this up. I can't make it up. But y'all know how it is. When you try to help folks, it's always gonna be something that they gonna say you could have did better. So That's why I ain't finna break my neck to get them polished colors. Hell, you probably ain't even gonna buy them. Just find something close in your arsenal, babe. Keep it simple. Keep it simple. Don't stress yourself out over these colors. Um, I know some clients be picky, want the exact same color. I am not buying every color on the planet just to be one or two shades exact. Like it can be one or two shades off. You will be okay. Um, and realistically, y'all, I feel like we have some of the highest supply costs if you're buying quality nail products. We have some of the highest supplies. Um, and we have to have the most stuff. Like, for example, if somebody is a braider, and I'm not trying to shit on braiders, I'm just comparing. I mean, it is what it is. If somebody's a braider, and I'm not no braider, so I ain't gonna know exactly, but to my knowledge, if somebody is a braider, all you really need is the hair products, obviously, jam, oil, whatever you use, rubber bands, hair, braiding hair, mousse. Sometimes people use them wraps for people edges, edge control. That's about it. Nails, you gotta have tips, files, buffers, and a lot of this stuff is not reusable. Um, and some stuff that is reusable, I be throwing away anyway because, like, why the fuck are you still, you know what I'm saying? Like the nylon brushes, for example, yeah, you can clean them and reuse them, but after a couple uses, I throw them away because I feel like bacteria be building up on stuff, and I don't want to, you know what I'm saying, be using a nylon brush from fucking 2 years ago that's done touched 50, 11 people. So back to what I was saying, nail techs, we gotta have tips, glue, buffers, mandrels, the sanding bands to go on the mandrels, primer, dehydrator, top coat, files. We gotta have all these different color acrylics, all these different color gel polishes. The acrylics be high as hell. It be $15, $20 for a 1.5 ounce. Polishes, man, there's some people out there that have one 15 milliliter polish for $20. Gotta have acrylic brush, nail art brush, wax pencils, crystals. Don't even get me started on crystals. Don't even get me started. All these 3D charms people be wanting. All these different birthday signs, and people be wanting all these characters drawn on their nails. It's just, we require a lot. We have to have a lot of products. And then don't even get me started on having to buy bulk acetone, alcohol, paper towels, tissue, just all the stuff we have to have. Not tissue, that's, I mean, you gotta buy that anyway, but paper towels, as in how we be having to buy certain types of Viva because, you know, certain types suck the acrylic up better than others. So it's like, yeah, we have to have a lot of products. So I'm not about to buy every single color just for, you get what I'm saying? Because realistically, y'all, you, hell, half the time, like the colors that this girl used, for example, on this set, um, and what I'm trying to say is, for example, you can have a nail set, right? When you're trying to find colors that are exact, you got to think about that person's lighting, um, if they use a filter, how old the color they're using is, because polish and acrylic changes color over time. If it's just been sitting there for years and years, if like I said, some of these colors I've been had for years. So my blue, my D&D blue might not be the exact same bottle, exact same brand, but a new bottle. You get what I'm saying? So it's so many things you got to think about when it comes to trying to match colors. Like it's just not gonna be exact, and that's why, like I said, some clients be picky about that. But I'd be quick to tell people you are never gonna get exactly what you see on the internet, because I would have to know. First of all, I'm not that person, so the technique is gonna be different. But for two, I don't know what color they used. It would have to be bought roughly the same time, and that's not that huge of a, you know what I'm saying? That's not that huge of a different factor. I feel like it'll be loosely the same color. But like, do y'all get what I'm saying? If you have a color from D&D that you bought 5 years ago, if you rebuy that color today, I bet you they're gonna be different. Cause that's how acrylics be. I be restocking acrylics all the time, and when I pour that last little bit into my new one, it be different. So like I say all that to say, man, don't break y'all banks or y'all backs trying to get a million different colors. I be mixing the hell out these colors, man, because like I said, I'm not finna, man, please. But anyway, that's my TED talk for today. This matte top coat is from, where is it from? It's from what's that place called? Hell, I can't remember. I'm just gonna put it in the description box. So yeah, this is a set, y'all. I hope y'all like it. Y'all comment, let me know what y'all think. Y'all make sure to visit my Instagram. Go follow me. Go like the picture, because when I post the video, I will be posting the pictures uh on Instagram. And this is just the final product. I'll see y'all next time. And y'all, I keep forgetting. These are my tips that I sell. I dropped them however long ago. I've been using them for months. I love them. I use them for every set. Go shop.